Assalamu alaikum students, this is your English teacher Yusuf sir. Today we are going to make a class of class 8 English first paper unit 5 lesson 1 the beginning. After reading this text we will be able to infer the meaning from the context, ask an answering question, write answer to questions. I think you can understand which text we are going to read. This is the text we are going to read. We have some important vocabularies in this part and we are going to learn that. Typical. Typical. Typical means which is not common, very uncommon, and it has some speciality. That's why we can say it or we can define it unusual. Unusual. Then extraordinary. Extraordinary. Extraordinary means which is not common, very rare. So we can say it very exceptional or we can say it amazing. Very exceptional or amazing. Determination. Determination. Determination means you want to do something and you have firm desire to do that. That is determination. Firm desire or strong desire. Strong desire. Aspect. Aspect, one meaning is face, one meaning can be aspect of the board, that is any particular picture of anything. You can say it also appearance. Spirit. Spirit means soul that is inside our body, soul. But in this text, spirit means speed that makes a man to do something. Okay, you can take a screenshot of these vocabularies. So, we learn typical, unusual, extraordinary, very exceptional, determination, firm desire or strong desire, aspect, appearance or any particular sight or any particular picture. Spirit, soul. But according to the text, this text, the beginning, it means any kind of speed that moves anyone to do something. Okay, we are erasing. In this text, we can see a life history of a girl. The girl get married, and when she was very young, after her marriage, she faces very cruel sides of life. She faces so many problems, but defying, refusing all the odds of life, she comes out as a winner. She establishes a shop, a boutique shop. That means a shop for ladies' garments, or a shop where a girl or a woman can find their clothes. A boutique shop, Oikko Nari Kollan Sangstha, and by the shop he carries on his livelihood, and she becomes a winner, defying all the odds of life. She has only one son named Ashikur Rahman Konok. Now you read this text for 10 minutes, and after reading this text, we will answer some short questions. Read the text for 10 minutes. Okay, now I am giving some short questions. You will try to answer the questions. How old is Shamima? How old is Shamima? What is the name of her son? Where is Shamima's village? What is the name of the village? So we have 4 short questions, just like multiple choice. How old is Shamima? You have the answer in the textbook. I think you can answer it. What is the name of her son? Towards the end of the text, you can get this answer, the name of her son. Where is Shamima's village? At the very beginning of the text, you will get the answer. Where is Shamima's village? What is the name of the village? Both the answer are in one line. Can you find it out? Now, see the answers. Here we can see Shamima is now 32 years old. Can you see? Yes, Shamima is now 32 years old. So the answer is, how old is Shamima? Answer is 32 years. What is the name of her son? We can see she has only one son named Ashikur Rahman Kanok. So, what is the name of her son? Ashikur Rahman Kanok. Answer is Ashikur Rahman Kanok. Where is Shamima's village? At the first line we can see there is a small village called Bhavanipur in Zinaida. So, where is Shamima's village? In Zinaida. In Zinaida. Where is Shamima's village? In Zinaida. What is the name of the village? Bhavanipur. Can you see? Bhavanipur. Bhavanipur. So, how old is Shamima? 32 years. What is the name of her son? Ashikur Rahman Kanok. Where is Shamima's village? In Zinaida. What is the name of the village? Bhavanipur. Clear? You can take a screenshot. Okay. Now we are erasing it. Now, I am giving you some questions. These questions, you have to write it within 1 or 2 lines. And these questions are also short, but not very short like these questions we already have done. Where does Shamima live? Where does Shamima live? What has she seen in her life? Number 3, how does she come out as a winner? Number 4, what does she run? What does she run? So, we have 4 questions here. Where does Shamima live? What has she seen in her life? How she come out as a winner? What does she run? She run. That means it is indicating her profession. how she come out as a winner, the system that she applied to struggle in her life. What has she seen in her life? It also indicates to the struggle. Where does Shamima live? This is very common question. I think you are able to answer it. Now write the answer of the questions. Time 10 minutes. Okay. So where does Shamima live? What will be answer of the question? The answer of the question is here. Shamima lives in Bhavanipur in Jhinaidah. Shamima lives in Bhavanipur in Jhinaidah. At the last part of the board, I am writing the answer. Where does Shamima live? Shamima lives. Here we see does. So, base form of the verb. According to the right forms of verbs rule, after do, did, does, we have the base form of the second verb. So, where does Shamima live? So, after does, live will sit within base form. At the answer of the question, we will write Shamima lives Shamima lives in Bhavanipur, Bhavanipur, Bhavanipur in Jhinaidah, in Jhenaidas, Jhinaidah. Shamima lives at Bhavanipur in Jhinaidah. Here, see, in Jhinaidah is a district and Bhavanipur is a village. It is a big district, is bigger than the village. So, at sits before a small place, at sits before a small place, and in sits before big place. Shamima lives. We use here S. Shamima is third person singular number. That's why S sits after the verb, main verb live. Shamima lives at Bhavanipur in Jhinaidah. Okay. Now answer number 2. What has she seen in her life? What has she seen in her life? Seen, past participle form, has, after have and has, according to the right forms of verbs rule, after have, has, the past participle form of verb will sit. So, what has she seen in her life? In the answer we will write, she has seen. She has seen the most cruel aspect of life. The most cruel aspect of life. Here you can see the answer. She has seen the most cruel aspect of life. Cruel aspect of life. I mistook the spelling. You see, here cruel, not a, E will sit. So, what has she seen in her life? she has seen the most cruel aspect of life. Here also we has taken she from the question, has from the question, seen from the question. In her life, so she has seen the most cruel aspect of life. Now answer number 3. How she come out as a winner? How she come out as a winner? She comes out as a winner defying all the odds of life. She comes out as a winner, defying all the odds of life. You can see the answer here. She has come out as a winner, defying all the odds of life. We can see very similarities between these two answers. Now the last question. Here also comes out she, third person singular number, so we used this as. We have another question. What does she run? What does she run? We have the answer in our textbook. You can see it here. She runs a small boutique called Oikko Nari Kollan Sangstha. So, what does she run? Does. Do, after do, does, did, base form will sit. So, she, third person singular number, but because of this word does, this auxiliary verb does, here the base form sits. What does she run? She runs a boutique. She runs a small boutique. Called Oikko Nari Kollan Sangstha. She runs, she third person singular number. So, she runs a small boutique called Oikko Nari Kollan Sangstha. You may ask a question. Runs, present form, but called past form. Here a confusion may raise in your mind, but no confusion. This is not past form, this is past participle form. We know call, called, called. Call, called, called. The past form and the past participle form is same. So here called is not the past form but the past participle form, and this past participle form works as a adjective. Adjective. The past participle form works as a adjective. So this line, this answer is in present tense. She runs a small boutique. She runs a small boutique called Oiko Nari Kollan Sangstha. So this is an adjective. This like an adjective, but not the past form. Okay? I think you have understood everything. So you can take a screenshot. I am erasing the board. Now homework for you. It's like a home. Page number 46. Page number 46. You have some question in C. C. This is your homework. And here B. This table and these questions. This table and this question is your homework. Okay? So homework, page 46. B, C. Okay? Thank you everyone. This is the end of the class. We will see you, we will meet again in our next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.